What if the next major naval threat doesn't come from missiles, but from beneath the sea? Iran is quietly developing submarine-launched drone systems, a new form of hybrid warfare that could redefine how naval battles are fought in the Persian Gulf. Not missiles, not torpedoes, but autonomous drones launched from underwater platforms. Could this technology actually threaten U.S. aircraft carriers? Let's break it down. Why submarine-launched drones matter? Traditional naval warfare depends on detection. Radars, sonars, satellites, ISR aircraft. But Iran's doctrine is built around asymmetric disruption. Submarine-launched drones combine three dangerous elements: stealth of underwater platforms, reach of aerial drones, saturation warfare tactics. This creates a multi-domain threat: sea, air, electronic, cyber. Not a single weapon, a system of systems. What systems is Iran developing? Iran already operates Ghadir-class mini-submarines, Fateh-class coastal submarines, semi-submersible drone carriers, unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs. Iranian naval engineers are experimenting with tube-launched UAV capsules, canister-based drone deployment, floating drone launch pods, submersible drone containers. The concept is simple. A submarine surfaces briefly, deploys drone canister, drone launches, submarine disappears. This avoids direct naval confrontation. What kind of drones are we talking about? These are not large attack drones like Shahed 136. These are recon drones, ISR drones, electronic warfare drones, relay drones, loitering mini-munitions. Their mission: detect carrier strike groups, track fleet movement, relay targeting data, jam communications, support missile strikes, guide swarm attacks. They are force multipliers, not primary weapons. How this threatens U.S. carrier groups? U.S. carriers rely on early detection, air dominance, networked sensors, command superiority. Sub-launched drones attack the information layer of warfare. If Iran can, launch drones undetected, maintain ISR coverage, feed targeting data to missiles, saturate defenses with multiple vectors. Then carrier groups face sensor overload, decision delays, higher interception pressure, increased vulnerability windows. Not destruction, but operational paralysis. Iran is not trying to sink a carrier directly. The real objective is anti-access fresh area denial, A2AD, meaning make the Gulf too dangerous to operate freely, raise political risk, raise operational cost, force standoff operations, push carriers farther from Iran's coastline. This is deterrence warfare, not fleet warfare. Can it actually destroy a U.S. carrier? Let's be realistic. One drone cannot destroy a carrier. Even a swarm cannot sink it alone. But that's not the goal. This creates layered saturation warfare. Modern naval warfare is about system collapse, not hull destruction. U.S. carriers remain dominant. But dominance doesn't mean invulnerability. Iran's submarine-launched drones do not give it naval superiority. But they do give it something more dangerous. Do you think future naval wars will be decided by ships and missiles or by drones, AI, and invisible networks beneath the sea?